This is it. I've just booked India's most advanced scooter. This is from Ultraviolet. इसका नाम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, like the scooter itself. It's called the Tesseract. And Ultraviolet अभी तक जानी जाती थी for the motorcycles technology and the world's Indian's fastest scooter as well. तो उसके बाद they're stepping into the game for scooters. Affordability कितनी है? Well, initially we thought कि 2 लाख, 2.5 लाख, 2.25 lakh, but they have priced it at 1.45 lakh rupees. That is the asking price for the entry-level version. Various battery packs होने वाले हैं, various amount of output होने वाली है for the power, but for the top spec version आपको 260 की इसमें रेंज मिलने वाली है, 125 की टॉप स्पीड, and of course other perks like fast charging. Ultraviolet का खुद का जो नेटवर्क है चार्जिंग का वो आने वाला है, and looks like a proper motor scooter. This could be at launch next year, जो डिलीवरीज होंगी in the month of January, India's biggest scooter as well. 7 इंच का आपको मिलता है TFT screen with proper AI tech and connected features from Ultraviolet. This is the kind of ignition you get to start the scooter and access other functions. Floorboard is pretty big for even for a person who has a UK 10 or 11 boot size like this. And you see this marking, stand there, because इसके अंदर certain levels of ADAS are into the features as well. Front radar comes in over here, dash cam comes in on this front part, and likewise there is a camera at the back as well. What's more, you have 14-inch wheels at both the ends. आगे 14-inch का wheel है, dual channel ABS, traction control, and likewise you have a 14-inch wheel at the back as well. The design is very interesting. These are sort of shut, disc feature भी है, and of course you have the suspension mountings on both the ends. Interesting part, you see this. इसको दबा के you can actually have access to the storage space, which again they say is going to be segment leading, made in India with the technology they have used for the earlier iterations. For example, मेरे पीछे खड़ी है fastest Indian motorcycle. They have a India Book of Record. Same kind of tech will come into the scooter as well. Bookings खुल चुकी हैं. If you are among the first 10,000 buyers, you'll have a lower rate as well, like me, 1.2 lakh rupees, and of course deliveries only in the month of Jan. So this is it, the scooter from Ultraviolet. Not your average day kind of a scooter, but I would say electric motor scooter from the house of Ultraviolet. Now, because of too many people at the event, couldn't show you the rear of the scooter. This is how it looks like, but I'm assuming for the production version, यहाँ पे एक mudguard आ सकता है for regulations. आपकी LED indicators are on the rear part. आपका यहाँ पे number plate आएगा, and these are the X type of LED tail lamps, rear camera and rear radar. So इसके अंदर radars and ADAS की inbuilt features बहुत सारे हैं to take care of safety. Of course, वो lower version में नहीं आने वाले, which is for 1.2 lakh rupees starting price, but in the higher versions आपको ADAS tech मिलेगा, आपको 260 तक की रेंज मिलेगी, 125 की टॉप स्पीड मिलेगी, and 20 bhp की पावर मिलेगी, but that is reserved for the higher version. So yeah, it looks more funkier from the rear as compared to the front, and it's got बेल्ट ड्राइव एज वेल. अगर आप जूम करेंगे उस पर बेल्ट ड्राइव का नाम है. इट्स गॉट बेल्ट ड्राइव, लेफ्ट पे फुट पे पिलियन के लिए, और यहाँ पे पिलियन का ग्रैब हैंडल कम्स इन राइट ओवर है. सो ये चीज़ें मैं आपको अंदर से दिखा नहीं पा रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल हु आर अराउंड द मोटरसाइकिल, दे वांट टू डू द वीडियोस, बट यहाँ से स्कूटर नॉट मोटरसाइकिल बनी, यहाँ से डेफिनेटली लुक्स मोर फंकियर देन द फ्रंट ऑफ द स्कूटर. डू यू एग्री और नॉट? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड स्कूटर बुक हो चुका है जनवरी के अंदर, 2025 में ये शायद मेरे पास आ जाएगा.